Hello everybody. Oh, so this evening I intend to do some more on constructing the embroidery, and I've just got in from work, Oodie on, and I think the Oodie is going to be staying on all day, should I say all night. I've come back, it's cold, it's wet, it's damp, it's horrible out there, and the girls will not be having a walk. It's simple. Thursdays when I've been to Slimming World they don't, and I'm slightly over the top of my target, so I've got to go back to being good, and it's week before Christmas. It's going to be fun and games, but hey ho, it works for me. So it's back on plan, and hopefully within the next month I will see myself back within target range. So I never beat myself up about the weight going on. So I don't know if anybody knows how Slimming World works, but once you reach your target, you are allowed to go for free, but you have to weigh every 8 weeks. So my 8-week period was up, and I've had a birthday, and I've had some very nice meals out, and I just thought, you know, I'm going to put a bit of weight on, so I just thought, just go with the flow, Judy. So I actually hadn't put on as much as I thought, but it's enough that I have to go next week. If I don't lose what I've put on, I will have to pay, and then you pay every week until you get back to target. It's very simple, very straightforward. The system works for me. I think for me it's the shock that I've got to pay again. That'll get the weight back off. What I need to do is to get the weight a bit lower, and then go after 8 weeks and not have gone out to a target. That's in my dreams. That might happen. But hey, it's worked for the past 18 months. In fact, how long have I been at target now? So I'm still technically, I'm at target. I'm fighting to keep within target. So the target game, let's call it the target game. What, 18 months? Yeah, 18 months. Yes, 18 months. So I think I'm doing really well. Most of the weight is off, and that's the main thing. We're niggling over a few pounds. We are niggling over a few pounds. That is all it is. But the Slimming World works for me. Everybody finds what works for them. So I am going to go ahead. I'm going to do some more sewing on constructing the I am so tired. I'm going to do some more work on constructing the wall hanging, and I'm not going to complain about being tired because we're all tired. It's that time of the year. My dinner is cooking, so and what am I? Oh, the other thing I'm doing tonight is I'm going on the Thready Set Go pattern party, and I'm looking forward to that. I find them really, really enjoyable. It's lovely to Hayley invites people from the sewing community. So last time we had Kaz, who was a winner of the sewing bee. Today I know we've got Adele and Bex from the Fabric Obsession. I think there's somebody else. The pattern they've used is a Tammy handmade one, but I don't know if Tammy's coming on or not, because I don't know if it's her sort of thing. So I'm going to go on and have a little look and see what it's all about. And don't forget, if you fancy joining Thready Set Go, there is a lovely code. It's an affiliate link. It's in my description box below. It will give you some money off your first month. Being well, that is the embroidery joined together, and I won't have to undo any seams. Shall we have a little look? Looks okay there. It's all right there. Looks all right there, and it's joined together. There we go. I'm going to have to try and, it's really long and really thin. So there's the top. I don't think we're going to get it all in one picture. There we go, look. There we go. And on that note, I think it's time to go and open some advent calendars after I've cleaned up this area. As you can see, it's coming together slowly but steadily. A lovely time on all the Zooms tonight. So shall we open a couple of advent calendars very, very quickly? First of all, we'll do Andrea's. They'll be on the pink drawer one. Day 18. Ooh. I nearly threw it away then, didn't I? So you're probably looking at my sewing space. I do tend to leave it like this all the time. When I've done my sewing, I'll put it back like this. So I always come into a nice tidy room the following day. 17, 24, 22, 22, 19, 18. So 18 is in a lovely green envelope. Now, oh, I know what this is. I'm going to make a calculated guess as to what this is. It's flat, bendy. I think it's a hot hemmer. And I'm wondering if it's one by Generates or Prym. Could be from Prym or it could be from Clover. Oh, I love the paper. Isn't that paper beautiful? Is it an East of India bag? Oh, it's just beautiful. Yes, East of India. Oh, it's not a hot hemmer. It is a Liberty bookmark. Oh, it's absolutely beautiful. Look at that. It's a Liberty bookmark. And I am reading a book at the moment. I'm actually reading The Wizard of Oz, so I might just take that straight upstairs and go and pop that in. I absolutely love it. I was going through it thinking, oh yeah, it could be a hot hemmer because it was bendy and it was flat, but I absolutely adore that. That is absolutely super. So let's have a little look at the Prym Advent Calendar. We are on day 18. There's a little thin one down here. This is the one that Andrea very kindly gifted me. And here we go. Ooh, ooh. Can't never have enough tailor's chalk, can you? Never ever have enough tailor's chalk. So I shall pop that straight in my, I've got a little box, a drawer here with crucial bits in. In fact, that one's got tape measures and pins in. I've got one round the corner with weights and things ready for cutting out. So tonight's Vlogmas has been very short. It has been a busy, busy day. Another lovely day. We've had the Christmas parties in school, and I think I was whammed within 5 minutes of the party starting. And I must have heard wham 4 or 5 times in school today. And then we had a Christmas party at Slimming World and I heard it there. So tomorrow is the last day of term. I can't wait, and I shall be back tomorrow. I shall see you all then. Thank you ever so much for watching, for your comments, and for just spending some time watching my little channel. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.